Hi, Lara from Forex Info USA with your free daily US dollar index Elliott wave analysis for the New York trading session dated Wednesday the 21st of April. New York's been closed for quite some time. It's going to be opening in another couple of hours. This video is being done quite a lot later than usual because I've just spent some time installing a brand new shiny new hard drive, so all is good. Starting this analysis again, as usual, with a look at an historical chart. This time we'll go back to 1985 and looking at cycle degree waves. We had a 5 waves down to end a 5 wave down sequence towards the end of 1992. Thereafter, a cycle degree, a good strong 3 waves up for cycle degree A, followed by a 3 wave down cycle degree B, which ended below the start of A, which means this is an expanded flat correction. It's a flat because A breaks down into 3, and it's an expanded flat because B reaches below A. This wave B is also really nicely contained in a parallel trend channel, drawn using Elliott's channeling technique. From the start of A to the end of B in a parallel copy placed on the end of A shows that we've got some really good strong movement well outside this trend channel, giving us a strong indication that wave B at cycle degree is over, and we're working on a 5 wave structure for wave C. So far we've got 1, 2, and we're working on primary wave 3 up. Targets for the upside for primary 3, probably about 91.91 if it equals wave 1 in length, also possibly up to 102.87 if it reaches 1.618 the length of wave 1. Taking you now to a regular daily chart where this maroon 2 is this maroon 2 down here, and we're looking at recent dollar rises. This wave count says that we have a 5 wave structure complete with a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves over here to end intermediate wave 1, our first wave up of that primary third wave, and that we've got an A, B, C correction for A, so we're looking at a flat correction or possibly a triangle, and now it's working on wave B blue up. So let's go and have a look at an hourly chart at recent dollar rises and this recent movement here, and here's the end of that wave A blue, and within wave B we're expecting a 3 wave structure. We've got an A, B, and we're working on a wave C to end that wave B blue. This wave C, as C waves do, will break down into a 5 wave structure, and this one looks like it's a simple impulse. The only other alternative for a C wave is a diagonal. This one looks like an impulse with a 1, 2, 3, 4 could have ended here with this nice 3 wave piece here, or it could be a running triangle with an A, B, C, D, yet to finish an E, take quite a long time, and then to shoot up out of it. I think the dollar's started to move strongly up out of this since I've done these charts earlier today, so I expect wave 4 green probably has ended here, and we're working on the last leg up to end wave 5 green of wave C pink. So we should be expecting imminent dollar rises that should and must take the dollar up to 82.01. And that's because, just taking you back to the daily chart, because this wave A is broken down into a 3 wave structure, I've labelled it here, and it's really difficult to see it as anything but a 3 wave structure. That means we're looking at a flat correction, and the next wave B on its way up must retrace at least 90% of wave A. That's why I have that upper target as 82.01. The dollar must reach up there for this wave B blue. It could be doing it, I could have the labelling within here slightly off, and we could yet see a stronger 3 wave look for this wave B blue, like we're seeing here on the daily chart for wave A blue. So we may have had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave A pink, and then we could possibly work on some good strong movement down before we shoot back up to that target. Either way, at the end of the day, when this wave B blue is over, it has to reach up to 82.01. It can go higher and it can go beyond the start of A. Wherever it ends, when it's done, the next move will be down for the dollar. So we're in a corrective structure with lots of overlaps. correctives, there are many more corrective structures than impulsive structures, so it gets a lot more tricky counting the waves during corrections. What I am most likely certain of is that we do have an end to intermediate wave 1, seems most likely, and we're probably in intermediate wave 2. The invalidation point 74.18 and that target and expectation of direction today pretty clear for the dollar. That's all for me with your dollar analysis. If you'd like euro or pound to help you in Forex trading, you'll find it on my site. A new banner picture up this week on Forex Info USA, secret spot down in Gisborne. In winter. Yes, we surf in winter down here too. That's all for me. Hope you're having an awesome day out there, and as always, may everyone's trades be profitable.